Okay, today we're going to learn to multiply with decimals using an area model and then the standard algorithm. We're going to start by estimating our answer we can see what a reasonable final answer might be. And we are going to use the equation 43 times 2 4/10. Again, the first thing we want to do is estimate. 43 rounds off to 40, 2 4/10 rounds off to 2, 40 times 2 equals 80. So we're looking for a final actual answer around 80. We know if when we use our decimals and multiply, we end up with 800, we might have an issue. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our area model. Down the side, we're going to put 43, and then across the top, we're going to put 20 and 4. And the reason is that we are going to treat 2 4/10 and decompose it in terms of tenths, which means we have 24 tenths. And then solve our area model. 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 20 is 60, 4 times 40 is 160, and 20 times 40 equals 800, giving us a total of 72 for this row and 960 for this row, and a total of 1,032 tenths. Now let's see what that looks like in an algorithm, and then we'll go from there. So we are multiplying 2 4/10, or 24 tenths, again, we're using it in terms of tenths, times 43. So we have 3 times 4 is 12, and then 3 times 2 is 6 tenths, plus 1 is 7 tenths. Again, we see that our 72 is the same. Then moving on, we're going to put in our placeholder. We have 4 tenths times 4 is 16. 4 tenths times 2 tenths is 6 hundredths, plus 1 is 700. Is 8 hundredths, plus 1 is 900, excuse me. And then we're going to add those together. We're going to have 1,032. And again, we said tenths, because we are using the unit form of tenths. 1,032 tenths. Now, tenths in this case would be written where our last digit would be in the tenths place, or 103 and 2 tenths for our final answer. 100, and since in our estimate both factors were rounded down, we would end up with an estimate that is less than our actual answer, yet our answer is still reasonable. So in essence, what we have done is taken one of our factors, 2 4/10, multiplied it by 10 to get 24, then took our product, 1,032, and divided it by 10 to get 103 and 2 tenths. So first we multiplied by 10, multiplied, got an answer, divided by 10. So we're back where we started.